Good morning and welcome to another video from Qatar. It's still called the Bangkok Street Walk, but as you already found out, it is not only Bangkok. You can look to one of my other street walks. Normally people like it depending on the cities where I am. But yeah, where we are here. We are here in Doha, the capital of Qatar. We have also very prominent guests, at least here in Doha, which is Mr. Donald Trump. Coincidentally, I didn't invite him, but the Emir of Qatar did, which is fine. So today we want to go to a little street walk on the beach and look for a so-called beach club. Apart from the hotels which are directly on the beach, which you can see here on my right side, there is not very much of a very accessible common beach. But there are beach clubs where you basically have to pay an entrance fee, and then you can use the facilities of the beach club, and that's what we try to do today. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. As you can see, it's quite hot already. It's about 30 to 32 degrees. But the beach club promises to be possible to basically swim on the beach, which would be a plus, because then you can cool down. You also have a sun lounger, but we will see if they let us in with a camera, and then I can probably tell you more. If not, it is just another street walk on the channel. It is summer, also in Qatar. So we see. I hope I can give you a good impression. It's a bit more dusty today, or should I say sandy, because I think the the not clear view is more due to sand than it is to actually humidity. Told you already, it's very hot, but it's not very humid. So that's only basically the hodity and not the humidity. I don't know if somebody says that, but I just did. So it is like it is. I just checked that my microphone is on, and it is. So absolutely perfect. So you can see the other side of Qatar, or of Doha. I think I should spend a few more days here, because there is so much things to explore which I actually didn't think of when I came here. I also have to explore how to get a scooter like that. I think you enable it with your mobile phone, and then you can just take a scooter and leave it wherever you go, which is practical. I basically walk along the beach here. Oh, there's also, see, we have the connection to Thailand. There is a Thai kitchen, if you can see further ahead. But I will not try it out. As I'm in Qatar, I'm more thinking about the Qatari things to try and test. And the food here in the Middle East is very nice. I basically like it, like tahini, mutabal, all the nice things you get to eat when you are in the Middle East. Enough to get a little bit of shadow from this wall. And I think I will get my 10,000 steps today again. Ah, here we are already. This is a WBB, the West Bay Beach. And we will see. First time for me, first time for you, probably. Have to check the rules first. West Bay Beach, Doha's premier seaside destination. Sounds good to me. So here are the rules. No alcohol, no shisha, no fire, no drones, no clothing in the water. Climbing on structures, damage, photography without consent. That's fine. Cool. And the entrance fee. Perfect. Great. Morning.
Morning. Hi. How are you?
Good, good. Want to take a look to the beach? Can I have a short... I'm going inside. I'm paying my fee. But also, can I film around, or is it not possible?
Want to go inside just to take a walk?
No, just I go swimming. But just when I enter it, so I want to show my viewers how it is, how it looks like. Good. Cool. Thank you. Good morning. One person. Do I get also like a towel and things?
No, towel you need to buy it.
Okay.
Nothing. You are above 60, right?
Yes.
So you are free.
Oh, that's nice. Cool. And where do I get a towel then?
From go right,
Yeah.
from the retail shop. I think it's still not up. Look.
All right. Okay, and
You can
what?
get some good up.
All right. Okay, thank you. Oh, that's good. But you have to bring your own towel, so we need to know that. And here is a retail shop. Perfect. Is it open already? We don't know. Hey, it is. Perfect.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Do you have towels?
Yes, small towel or big towel?
A big towel?
Towel 72, small towel 30 riyal.
How big is the big and the small towel?
This is the biggest towel.
Okay, that's 72.
Yes.
All right, good.
This one is the small towel.
No, then give me a big one. That's better.
Any
Yeah.
specific color?
What do you have? Brown, yellow,
Red, olive.
the green one looks good.
Green. Anything else? You have 2 riyal?
Let me see. No, I could give you a fiver if that helps. No, I maybe have two. Wait, 1, 2. Ah, have to get used to the currency first. Perfect. Thanks a lot. For the loungers, you can take any or?
Okay.
All right. Cool. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
It actually looks nice. Just would have to know that you need a towel, but the rest is totally fine.
Анау несін алайық, кім Жасылбек несін зонтигін алайық. Ашасың ба зонтигін? Бәрі ашық, дайын болып тұр ғой. Ашылмағандарын алайық. Ашылғандары уже дайын болып тұр.
And
Налево. Налево.
here is the beach, which is nice. So, then we just occupy one. And then we are off to the water. Hey, cool.
Thank you for watching for my videos, and if you like it or you have any opinion or any question, please don't forget to leave the comment or press like to give me a support, or even subscribe for me as well. And in case that you're interested, please look for my other videos. Thank you very much and see you for the next time. Bye bye.